রেকর্ড হইতেছে না
কত মিনিট হয়েছে 6 মিনিট this is right hand side before as we I am standing in front in the engine that is bunk one right side but in a car right side left hand side come to right side okay now here camshaft and right side front my face front in my face right side here two mark in a camshaft for the exhaust and other one here big one marker from the intake camshaft. Now I will go down. There is the marker crankshaft. In the crankshaft there is the marker. That is position now piston top one and the left side. On the left side this other mark to here. Also you follow it them here from to here. Okay. I'm Shahid. Irfan, do you want to change? खाली वीडियो हो रही है बस हटिस ना जब काम हमारा वीडियो हो रही है now I will fixing the first main timing chain this big one देखा नहीं कड़ा देखा नहीं नाले दूर जा हम जाना this big one the timing chain this main timing chain from the for the engine you follow it there are 3 marks red color marks 2 marks red color and then 1 mark yellow color if you see like that
रोकेगा तो हो जाएगा
हवा ये जैसा अपने अपने बंदा ना वीडियो से बोलो बांग्लादेश
आगे लग जाता है वो लाइट जला दो ये पकड़ने का जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगा वो लाइट जला जाएगा
you send to me first before I use it this red color is half one from the timing chain this is only crankshaft also camshaft from the